In this video, I will share with you top 5 best magnetic drill press review 2024. So, let's start. Number 1. VEVOR 1100W Magnetic Drill Press Machine. Discover the VEVOR 1100W Magnetic Drill Press, a powerhouse for precision drilling in engineering and steel structures. With 7/12 compatible bits and a 40mm capacity, this electric mag bench tapping machine ensures versatile drilling operations. Its robust 1100W motor delivers reliable performance, perfect for heavy-duty tasks. The magnetic base provides steadfast stability while drilling. Ideal for steel fabrication, construction, and metalworking, this rig machine guarantees precision and efficiency, making it an essential tool for professionals tackling diverse engineering projects. Number 2. VEVOR BRM 3550mm Magnetic Drill Press. Introducing the VEVOR BRM 3550mm Magnetic Drill Press, a robust 980W electric bench drilling rig for engineering and steel structures. With a 50mm drilling capacity, it handles various tasks effortlessly. The rocker lever design ensures ease of use, optimizing efficiency. Ideal for steel fabrication and construction projects, this magnetic drill press provides stability and precision. Its powerful motor and durable build make it a reliable choice for professionals seeking accuracy and performance in metalworking and engineering applications. Number 3. VEVOR Magnetic Drill Press 980W 1100W 1200W. Discover the versatile VEVOR Magnetic Drill Press series, available in 980W, 1100W, and 1200W models, MB40, MB23, BRM35. These electric bench drilling rig machines are designed for engineering and steel structures. With varying power options and sturdy construction, they offer drilling capacities suited for different tasks. Ideal for metal fabrication, construction, and engineering projects, these magnetic drill presses ensure stability and precision. Choose the model that fits your power needs, ensuring reliable performance for a wide range of metalworking applications. Number 4. Portable Electric Bench Drilling Rig Machine. Introducing the Magnetic Drill Press, a portable powerhouse with 2850W high power for engineering and steel structures. This electric bench drilling rig machine accommodates drill bits of 16, 18, 25, and 35mm sizes, offering versatility for various tasks. Ideal for metal fabrication and structural work, it ensures precision drilling with its robust power output. Portable yet potent, this drill press provides the strength and accuracy required for professional metalworking projects, delivering reliability and efficiency in every operation. Number 5. DX60 Annular Cutter Magnetic Drill Press. Experience precision drilling with the Magnetic Core Drilling Machine Series, DX35 and DX60. These annular cutter magnetic drill presses, available in 1100W and 1500W variants, offer powerful performance for engineering and steel applications. These electric bench drilling rig machines ensure accuracy and efficiency. Perfect for metal fabrication and structural work, they accommodate various drilling needs. With their robust power and reliability, these drills are indispensable tools for professionals requiring high-quality results in diverse metalworking projects. Thanks for watching.